Can a $500,000 masterpiece be saved after being buried in the mud? Today, we're bringing this legendary Rolls-Royce back to life.
First, we have to strip away years of dirt and grime. Every inch of this prestigious machine needs deep pressure washing to reveal what's left of its soul.
From a rusted engine to high-tech precision, we're going inside the factory where luxury meets science. Every piston, every bolt, and every wire is meticulously crafted to perfection. Now for the iconic look. Deep blue paint, hand-stitched leather, and the finest wood finish. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of art. After months of hard work, the spirit of ecstasy rises again, from a muddy wreck to a street-legal diamond. Would you drive this? Let us know in the comments.